and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today I'm showing you a shopping haul from a new store, Pop Shelf. You might have seen it advertised, you might have seen it in your city, but it is a new store. It's a cross between like a Dollar Tree and a Dollar General. It is Pop Shelf, beautiful new store coming to your area. They're looking to expand, opening a lot more stores. So, with my trip to Pop Shelf, we purchased lots of goodies. And with this first bag, I'm going to show you these beautiful 24 different, just in time for Valentine's Day, hearts that we're going to use in our different junk journals, whether it be a full page with the larger ones, or on a page, or as a tuck, a hide, a pocket, or just a flip to put your favorite notes on. You're going to see me use these in some upcoming junk journals, just in time for Valentine's Day. All right. And we also purchased, not familiar with this B, which is Be Bold line of makeup, but I got a lip liner and a lip balm, so I can hopefully show off some beautiful colors for you coming up real soon in the makeup line. So we're going to check those out, test those in an upcoming tutorial as well. You'll see me wearing these. And they were just $1 a piece. Very excited about that. One thing with the Pop Shelf store is their items are between $1 to, I believe I saw Legos marked at $20, $15 and $20, different Lego kits. So they do have everything in there from home goods, makeup, the regular Dollar Tree finds, all the way up to some of your favorite foods and drinks in their cooler section. I also picked up for $1 3 thick nail files. I do enjoy using these, keeping one of these in my purse. Never know when you're going to need it on your nails. And then a couple of beautiful tags that we're going to use in the junk journal. These tags, I believe, were just $1. They are 20 different tags inside. They are white on one side. They look to be reinforced on one side, not reinforced on the other. We're gentle with them in the junk journal, so that's okay. Again, very beautiful. You're going to see me decorating these, adding these to some of the junk journals coming up. So I'm really happy to have those. And then we also, for our upcoming art tutorials and playing around with our art book, trying to expand on some of our journal techniques, purchased up some of these blenders. I'm not sure what I paid. I believe that was $3. Please don't hold me to that. We'll get out the receipt. Hopefully it's here in the bag and find out momentarily. But those are some great blenders for pastels and charcoals when we're doing that. Don't tell everyone, but picked up I saw these. I know a lot of my kids, your kids, other kids, play the different games, Dungeons and Dragons, different games that aren't always online, and they roll the dice as the dungeon master or whatever. This is 3 dice storage pouches are included with a blue set, a red set, and a green set of dice. So I just thought that was the coolest little package, so I picked that up for the kids. Shh, don't tell them. I did find the receipt so we can see if we can find those blenders, or maybe go on and take a look at those. Triple nail files, 3-pack, $1. Tags, excuse me, the tags were $2. $2 for a package of 20. Not sure if that was a great bargain or not, but I did fall in love with them, especially looking at the beautiful colors they had on them, the flowers. I think those will go real nice in the Valentine's journal that I'm doing, along with a lot of other pieces. Paper cutouts, got those for $1. I think they're normally $5, but I did pick those up for $1. Hopefully you get some savings when you're in there as well. Looks like the 6x8 paper that I picked up, this was $3, and this is 24 sheets, just beautiful Valentine's, different colors with the pinks, have some greens and light purples in there, so I wanted to pick that up as well. They always have these nice stickers on the side to keep the pages good, but they're hard to show you in a video. So let me see if I can slip one of these stickers, since they didn't want to come off. and show you some of those beautiful pages a little bit better in there. So again, absolutely gorgeous. They are white on the one side, but they are thicker bond paper with that beautiful color. I think those will make some great pockets, some great smaller pages as well. Okay, and could not resist. Look at these absolutely adorable Beauty Essentials again, Be Bold, and these were $3 a piece, but look at that, absolutely gorgeous hair ties with the elongated. I just fell in love with those, had to have those. So we got some nice hair ties so I can look good when I go out. And I got a nice little needle kit, threaded already needles for the purse. You never know when you're going to have to make one of those. I want to put that in the suitcase. The needle set, pre-threaded needles, only $1. A very, very great deal. If you don't have one of these in your suitcases, don't carry it on the plane. Put it in the belly of the plane. Check it. Because I don't know how they do that. But again, I always carry one of these. You never know when you're going to pop a button, have to split a seam and sew something up. So always good to keep with you in the car or in your suitcase. Okay, and beautiful tools. They have a very large wall of nice tools for sewing, crafting, painting, jewelry. It's a beautiful store. You really have to jump into the pop shelf and enjoy it. I got a nice pair of, it says reverse tip tweezers for doing some of my finer work, whether it's gluing the smaller pieces down or working with the beads. I want to see how much these cost me. And we are looking. The piercing tool was $3. The tweezers were $3. So again, not a bad price there. Pardon that, had a twitch in my eye. But again, $3 a piece. Looks like a very nice pair. I'll be using these and let you knowing how I feel about them so you can pick some up next time you are at Pop Shelf. Highly recommend it. Beautiful new store, beautiful aisles, clean, spacious, love it. Lots of different items that you find in the other stores, but it's really well put together and some great new tools to take advantage of at pretty decent prices. Have a great day, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.